we shall learn about secondary storage in this episode. Secondary storage. Secondary storage, also known as auxiliary storage. It is the storage device that stores data persistently beyond the primary storage RAM of a computer. Now, few examples of secondary storage devices. Hard disk drive HDDs, solid state devices SSDs, optical devices, USB flash drive, memory cards, network attached storage, cloud storage. These are the examples of secondary storage. Now we shall test our learning outcomes. Example of secondary device is hard disk or RAM. Hard disk or RAM, which one is secondary device? The correct answer is A. Hard disk is the secondary device. Next test, main purpose of secondary storage is to temporarily store data or to permanently store data. Which one is correct answer? The main purpose of secondary storage is which one? To temporarily store data or to permanently store data? The correct answer is B. To permanently store data is the main purpose of secondary storage. Next question. Compared to primary storage, one of the characteristics of secondary device is non-volatile or temporary. Compared to primary storage, which one is the characteristics of secondary device? Non-volatile or temporary? Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is A. Non-volatile is the characteristics of secondary device compared to primary storage. Next question. Following which magnetic device is secondary storage? Option A, hard disk drive. Option B, USB flash drive. Which magnetic device among these two is secondary storage? Correct answer is A, hard disk drive. It's a magnetic device and it's a secondary storage. Next question. Which secondary storage device is suitable for large-scale backups? Tape drive or SSD? Tape drive or SSD? Which storage device is suitable for large-scale backups? Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Tape drive is suitable for large-scale backups. Next question. No moving parts are HDD or SSD. HDD means hard disk drive, SSD means solid state device. Which one is no moving parts? Correct answer is B. SSD, solid state device, is no moving parts. Optical storage is CD, DVD or SSD. Which one is correct answer? Optical device is CD or DVD. Next question. Commonly used storage device in smartphone is a micro SD card or optical disc. Which one is correct answer? The storage device, which one is used in smartphone? Micro SD card or optical disc? The correct answer is A. Micro SD card is a storage device which is used in smartphone. Next question. True statement is secondary storage is volatile or secondary storage retains data even when the power is turned off. Which one is true statement? Secondary storage is volatile or secondary storage retains data even when the power is turned off? The correct answer is B. Secondary storage retains data even when the power is turned off. It was the last question. Thank you very much.